In this question, we need to simplify algebraic fractions. We're going to do that by multiplying the two fractions together, so times the top times the bottom, but also by factorizing each of these. So we've got x squared plus 5x on the top. So we're going to factorize out the x. So it's going to be x times x plus 5. On the bottom of the first fraction, 3x minus 12. 3 comes out, so 3 times x minus 4. And that's multiplied by, so we've got x squared minus 2x minus 8. That's double brackets. And it's x minus 4 and x plus 2. And on the bottom, we've got the difference of two squares, which is x plus 5 times x minus 5. So then let's just multiply these together. So times the top times the bottom, we'll just make it into one fraction. So x times x plus 5 times x minus 4 times x plus 2 over 3 times x minus 4 times x plus 5 times x minus 5. So we've got x minus 4 on the top and the bottom. So we divide the top and bottom by the common factor, and x plus 5 on the top and the bottom. That's all the common ones gone. So all that's left is x times x plus 2 over 3 times x minus 5. And that is in its simplest form. One for you to try. Pause the video, give it a go. So again, let's factorize what we can. So we've got x times x plus 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 over, what's this factorized? So it's what multiplies to make 10, 2 and 5. So x plus 2, x plus 5. So on the top, we've got 2 times x plus 2. So 2x times x plus 2. On the bottom, 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 5. What's common to the top and the bottom? That's x plus 2. So we can divide the top and bottom by x plus 2 to simplify it. And that just leaves 2x over 3 times x plus 5. Another question, this time we have simplifying algebraic fractions again. This time we've got a divide in between the two fractions. We are going to use the fact that dividing by 2/3 is the same as timesing by 3 over 2. Or dividing by 3/4 is the same as timesing by 4/3. So we're going to flip the second fraction, change it to a times, and flip over the second fraction. We're going to also factorize what we can, so we can see what's common to the top and the bottom and simplify them. So let's factorize first. So x squared plus 3x is x times x plus 3. That's over x minus 7. We've got 2x squared minus 18. I can take 2 outside, and that leaves x squared minus 9, which is the difference of two squares. And that's over what multiplies to make 14 and adds to make a negative 9, negative 2, and negative 7. So I'm going to change x squared minus 9 into x plus 3 times x minus 3. I'm also going to flip over and change it to a times. So the first one stays exactly how it is. I'm going to change it to a times. So I'm flipping over my second fraction. So x minus 2 times x minus 7 over 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now it's going to times the top times the bottom. So I have x times x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 7 over 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 7. Now I'm going to simplify, going to cancel out what's common to the top and the bottom. They've both got an x minus 7. They've both got an x plus 3. So that leaves x times x minus 2 over 2 times x minus 3. One for you to try. Pause the video, give it a go. So we're going to start by factorising what we can. So I can take x squared out of the first term. So x squared comes out, and that leaves 2x minus 8. I should have taken 2x squared out. Let's redo that. So 2x squared outside, which leaves x minus 4, x plus 4 even. That's over x squared. So I could simplify this now. And we are dividing by x plus 4 times x minus 4, the difference of 2 squares, over x times x plus 3. I'm going to flip over, change it to a times and flip over the second fraction. So that'd be x times x plus 3 over x plus 4 times x minus 4. Then I'm going to multiply the two fractions together. So I'm going to have 2x cubed on top times x plus 4 times x plus 3 and x squared times x plus 4 times x minus 4 on the bottom. Simplify, so cancel out what's common to the top and the bottom. They've both got an x plus 4 and they've both got an x squared. So that leaves 2x times x plus 3 over x minus 4. Write as a single fraction. So this time we're adding two fractions together. To add fractions together, or take fractions away from each other even, both of them, we need the denominators to be the same. The bottom numbers need to be the same. So in this case, I'm going to times my first fraction by top and bottom by x plus 3 and times the second fraction top and bottom by x minus 2. So the first one timesing top and bottom by x plus 3. So 5 times x plus 3 over x minus 2 times x plus 3 minus timesing top and bottom by x minus 2, 4 times x minus 2 over x minus 2 times x plus 3. I can now write it as a single fraction because the denominators are the same. So it's all over x minus 2 times x plus 3. And the numerator, 5 times x plus 3, take away 4 times x minus 2. Just going to simplify my numerator. So 5x plus 15 minus 4x plus 8. The denominator is still the same. So we have 5x take away 4x, that's just an x. 15 and 8 make 23, so x plus 23 over x minus 2 times x plus 3. One for you to try. Pause the video, give it a go. So we're going to make the denominators the same. So x times 6 times x plus 1 over x plus 7 times x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 7 over x plus 7 times x plus 1. Now I can make it into a single fraction. So 6 times x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 7. So that's 6x plus 6 plus 2x plus 14 over x plus 7 times x plus 1 collecting the like terms. We've got 8x plus 20 over x plus 7 times x plus 1. Another question expressed as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we've got 2x plus 3 over x squared minus 2x minus 15, which we can factorize, plus 1 over x minus 5. Let's start by factorizing. So x squared minus 2x minus 15 is x minus 5, x plus 3. X plus 3 times x minus 5. And we're adding that to 1 over x minus 5. So to make the denominators the same, all I have to do, because the first one is already got x minus 5 in it, all I need to do is times top and bottom of my second fraction by x plus 3. So I've got 2x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 5 plus 1 times x plus 3, which is just x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 5. Now the denominators are the same, so I can add them together. I've got 2x plus 3 plus x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 5. And just collect the like terms. So 2x and another x, 3x, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 3x plus 6 over x plus 3 times x minus 5. One for you to try. Pause the video, give it a go. So again, we have a denominator that we can factorize. So x squared minus 64 is the same as x plus 8 times x minus 8. It's a difference of 2 squares again. So to make the denominators the same, I've got to times top and bottom of my second fraction by x minus 8. So I've got 2x minus 1 over x plus 8 times x minus 8. And I've got x minus 8, so 1 times x minus 8 is x minus 8 over x plus 8 times x minus 8. The denominators are the same, so I can just add them together. So make it into one fraction. Collect the like terms, so 2x and x make 3x. Negative 1 minus 8 is negative 9. So 3x minus 9 over x plus 8 times x minus 8. And one more question, expressed as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we're going to add these fractions together. We're going to need a common denominator again. So for the first fraction, we times top and bottom by x minus 2 and by x plus 1. So we're going to have 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. It's just going to be x minus 2 times x plus 1. And it's going to be over x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. The second fraction, times top and bottom by x plus 3 and by x plus 1. So 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 1. Again, the denominator will be the same. That's why we're doing it. And the last one, times top and bottom by x plus 3 and x minus 2. So x plus 3 times x minus 2 over the same denominator. Now the denominator is the same, so we can make it all into one fraction. I'm going to leave the top as it is for now. And then we're going to need to expand all of the brackets in the numerator. We're going to have to be careful with the negative here. So we're taking away the entire expansion, not just the first term, the entire expansion. So we're going to leave a bracket when we expand it. Expanding these brackets, so x times x, x squared. X times 1 is 1x. Negative 2 times x minus 2x. So simplifying that, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 2. I'll leave the 2 here for now. X squared plus 1x plus 3x. So 4x plus 3. And I'm leaving the bracket for x squared minus 2x plus 3x. So plus 1x minus 6. Expanding the top line again. So we've got x squared minus x minus 2 plus 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. And then taking away this entire expansion. So expanding it, multiplying through by minus 1, minus x squared minus x plus 6. And again, leaving the denominator as it is. And finally, collecting the like terms. So we've got x squared, 2x squared, minus x squared. So that's 2x squareds. So we've got 2x squareds. For our x's, minus 1 plus 8 minus 1. So that would be 6. 6x's. And negative 2 plus 6 plus 6, which is 10. So we've got 2x squared plus 6x plus 10 over x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. Can we simplify it any further? So our numerator is 2 times x squared plus 3x plus 5. We're not going to be able to factorize this, so it can't simplify any further. So it's in its simplest form. This is our answer. And one for you to try. Pause the video and give it a go. So we need a common denominator again to add the fractions. So the first fraction times top and bottom by x plus 1 and by x plus 2. So that would be x plus 1 times x plus 2 over x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. Second fraction, timesing top and bottom by x and x plus 2. And the third one, timesing top and bottom by x and x plus 1. So we can make it into one fraction now. And I'll expand as I go. So x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2 plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 3x squared plus 3x. So collecting the like terms, we have 6x squareds. We have 3 plus 4, 7, plus 3 plus 10x's, and a 2 over x times x plus 1 times x plus 2.